Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. I waited a few days to see if somebody would answer it. But you're trying to find this area here shaded in blue under a normal curve, given the z-score is 0.79. And you've covered it up, but you looked up the z-score for 0.79 here, and you went to this column with the 7, you went over to the 9s. I guess it's 0.7852. Is the area. Well, you got to understand what this table's giving you. This table's giving you the area to the left of this z-score, and you're wanting the area to the right. And so you got to understand what the table's providing you. And so this area here to the left is 0.7852. Well, what we're after is this area to the right. So we're, the table gives you this area to the left of the z-score. We want the area to the right of the z-score in the blue. And so the total area under the curve is 1. So if the total area under the curve is 1, and we know this area to the left, we just take that value away from 1 and 0.2148. That is the area to the right, or this blue area to the right of the z-score. So this table here gives you the area always to the left of the z-score. So if you're asked for the area to the right of the z-score, you've got to take the number from the table away from 1. Okay, hope that helps.